G'day, here's a little deal of a few pieces of Boulder Opal. It's been wetted, rules in millimetres. First piece, basically potch with nice pattern, not a lot of fire in it. The second similar, basically threw those in. This piece I think could do with a bit more grinding. There's matrix over here. Again, it's not showing up very well. Here, basically potch and colour up here, a bit brighter. Stone down here. It is undulating. Alternatively, you could gamble, cut the back off and see if you've got a stone in underneath there. Lucky last but not least. This is quite nice, bright, almost sort of matrix material up here. Little bar of colour through here, down this side. Anyway, it's not a very expensive parcel. Good to practice on perhaps. Cheers.